Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Guardian Life Review My Usage Experience. Guardian Life Review My Usage Experience seems to be a service focused on helping individuals understand and manage their life insurance policies, likely from Guardian Life Insurance Company. It's targeted towards existing Guardian Life policyholders and potentially those considering purchasing a policy. Key features likely include policy details, claims filing, beneficiary management, and potentially investment tracking if the policy has investment components. Their website likely provides detailed information about the service. The platform probably emphasizes secure access to policy information, ease of use, and potentially tools to help understand complex policy details. It might also showcase features for managing beneficiaries and filing claims efficiently, offering benefits like 24/7 access and simplified online processes. They may highlight the security measures they take to protect sensitive personal and financial data. Availability should be universal to Guardian Life policy holders. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Guardian Life Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was pretty straightforward. I logged in using my policy number and created an online account. The initial setup involved verifying my identity and setting up security questions, which felt very secure. Navigating the interface was surprisingly intuitive. The dashboard provides a clear overview of my policy details, including coverage amounts, premium payment schedules, and beneficiary information. I easily accessed my policy documents and could even download them as PDFs. One feature I found particularly useful was the claims filing section. I thankfully didn't have to file a claim, but I walked through the steps and it seemed very simple and well explained. The performance was good, the site loaded quickly and I didn't experience any glitches. I had a quick question about updating my beneficiary information and their support responded within a day via email with clear instructions. I was really impressed by how user-friendly the whole platform was, especially considering the often complex nature of insurance policies. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app, though the website was mobile responsive. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings regarding investment options connected to my policy, but the available resources and FAQs were helpful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Guardian Life Review. It provides a convenient and secure way to manage my policy and access important information. That's my overview of Guardian Life Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.